I think every shop needs to have some fleet business. Now, you don't want to have too much fleet business usually, unless you're specifically in the fleet business. One of the challenges with fleets is sometimes they want a better deal. We recommend that you don't try to sell your shop on price, but you do it on service. But it could become a receivables problem, because a lot of these people won't pay right up front, and so you don't want too much fleet business. But the nice thing about fleet business is it gives you consistent revenue coming in, and a lot of these fleets are really focused on the whole area of maintenance. Now, fleet business you're not going to get by taking a letter, sending it off to a fleet company. It really does require some creativity and some visits. What kind of fleets? Well, lots of small fleets. Funeral homes, they want to make sure their vehicles are in good condition. Local ambulances, local police, pizza places. There's a lot of smaller fleets, hotel shuttles, for example. One of the things we recommend that you do is challenge your employees to bring in a list of fleets they see on the road. So they're driving along and they see a vacuum company or a plumbing company, and they write those down. Maybe you give a prize to the person who came up with the best leads for these fleets. The idea is set aside maybe a day a month to take those leads, go out to the businesses, visit the businesses, explain how good you are, explain how long you've been in business. You need to sell your shop to them. They want service. They want their vehicles on the road. So you want to make sure that you talk about your warranty, your attention to detail, the quality of the technicians that you have. One of my clients, you drive past his shop, you see ambulances and police cars out front. Another one that I was at, they have all of these limos out front. So you drive by this shop and it grabs your attention because you see all these limousines and all these ambulances as well. And the idea is I'm driving by and I see that you're working on ambulances and those kinds of vehicles. I know that you know exactly what you're doing to be able to get that kind of business.